Good day, everybody. My name is Miss Maboe. I welcome you to our grade 12 business studies lesson under the topic problem solving and decision making. Right. We're going to start with our did you know? It says here, did you know we are all faced with a series of great opportunities brilliantly disguised as impossible situations. This is by Charles R. Swindoll. He says, we are all faced with a series of great opportunities. However, they are brilliantly disguised as impossible situations. Right, so we're going to start with our lesson objectives. For this lesson, by the end of the lesson, the learners, as a learner, you should be able to define or elaborate the meaning of problem solving and decision making. You should be able to explain or distinguish between problem solving and decision making. You should be able to identify or discuss the problem-solving steps. You should be able to apply, very important, apply the problem-solving steps from the given scenarios or the case studies. You should be able to identify the following problem-solving techniques from the given scenarios. These are the techniques that we'll be focusing on for this lesson: the Delphi technique and the force field analysis. You should be able to explain or advise businesses on how they can apply the above-mentioned problem-solving techniques, these above-mentioned problem-solving techniques, to solve the complex business problems. You should be able to discuss and evaluate or analyze the impact. Now, don't forget the impact is what? The positives and or the negatives of the above-mentioned problem-solving techniques. Don't forget the techniques, those two techniques that we'll be focusing on for this lesson. Right, so we're going to start with our concept map, a journey that we have to take together for this lesson. It's the meaning of decision-making, problem-solving. Then we're going to get to the differences of the decision-making and problem-solving. We're going to do the steps, problem-solving steps. We're going to do the application and the impacts of the problem-solving techniques. Remember, we're only focusing on two techniques today. All right, so pre-knowledge, you should know the following definitions. This is what is expected of you as we're starting the lesson. Problem solving, it's the process of gathering facts that are necessary to overcome a specific challenge. Problem solving technique, this is a method that we use to solve complex business-related problems. And we've got decision making, considering various alternatives before deciding on the best one. Right, so now this is a practice. From everything that I just said now, you should know the differences between problem solving and decision making. Let's hear. Decision making, it is often done by one person or a member of a senior management who makes it authoritarian. Then, whereas problem solving, problems can be solved by a group or team of an individual or team member. Various alternatives under decision making, various alternatives are considered before deciding on the best one, whereas with problem solving, alternative solutions are gathered or identified and critically evaluated. Right, let's move on. Right, these are the new words that we're going to come across as we are busy with the content. We're going to start with creative, to be original, inventive, or resourceful. To generate is to produce or to create. Creativity means ideas featuring new and original methods. Decision making is a process of analyzing a situation in order to identify the strategies to bring about change. A problem is experiencing uncertainty or difficulty in achieving what we want to achieve. Problem solving, gathering the facts that include problem findings and problem shaping. Then we've got problem solving techniques. These are various problem-solving techniques which the businesses will use to solve the business-related problems. So this is what we'll be doing in this session or during this lesson. But for now, we're going to take a quick break, and then when we come back, we're going to start with everything. Remember, the topic is problem-solving and decision-making. See you just now.